I remember the quote statement given by Steve Jobs. Do you know Steve Jobs? Yes, he's a founder of Apple company. So he said that you cannot connect the dots looking forward, you can connect only looking backwards. So you have to trust every dots connect somehow in your future. That is a statement given by that quote is given by the Steve Jobs. And I always, something happened to my life, I always used to connect these dots, this quote with my life. So let me share you some story that happened to me last evening. Last evening, the incident is within 1.5 hours. What I saw in my mobile phone at around 7:30, I read the message that 30 minutes left to start the workshop, freedom workshop, and I clicked the link and went to the workshop Zoom. But the room was not open. I think because not connected, so I think I thought the room was not connected, opened. Then I tried two more times, not connected. Then I leave that and resumed my work with my laptop, doing some presentation, creating some presentation for my teams. So after a few minutes, I was busy in phone calls. Someone called me, I called. Someone called me, I called. So passed sometimes, and suddenly I realized that I have to attend the workshop. Then I saw the time in my mobile phone that it was 7:56. Still 4 minutes left. I thought it's still 4 minutes left. That meeting was not over. Meeting was not started. Then I clicked the link and entered the room. Sorry, entered the Zoom. But after long seconds, display the 100 participants is over. Try again after some time later. Then I thought I tried. Yes, I tried two more times, three times, four times. Up to 8:16, I tried, but could not get entered into the workshop. Is it disappointment for me? Let me share some few moments again. I must tell you, for this workshop, I have cancelled my important meetings organized by my leaders at the same time. Then 8:20, I joined the other meetings. 8:20 to 8:46, I was there. 8:46, the meeting was disconnected because it was free version of Zoom. You know better about the free version of Zoom. It will be automatically disconnected after 40 minutes. Then I again after 8:46 again I tried to the workshop to connect what is happening inside. So again it was full. I couldn't connect. Again back to the previous meeting. It was till 9 p.m. Then after meeting was over, again I back to the uh, Zoom and click the link, get into the workshop that what is happening, what is going on, whether it is over or not. So I got into the workshop and found what screen was last screen was going on. There was poll, and what is written there I don't remind that. But Mr. Rajesh Rai, Ramesh Rai, who is their speaker, who is operating the workshop, is there, is talking something. I could not remind because I was little bit frustrated that I could not attend. Then I meeting was over after around 8, 9, 10. Then I realized that incidence is connected to somehow connected to the dots spoken by Steve Jobs. If this incident happens to me, that means somehow this incident must have happened to others also. Because of that incident, this video is making. If the incident's not been taken place, I easily got into the workshop, then might be the story is different. Because of that incident, this video is for you. Yeah, the connecting dots for the future. Future is what? This video. But the incident was disappointed. So my perspective for you. See the topic above. Is it disappointment for me or crazy enough to learn more? What is your perspective? I, it is, give me your opinion in the comment box. This is Prandeep Lone. See you again with another incident, another topic. Thank you very much.